Welcome to Cooking with the KAM Fam. I'm Mitch, and today we're going out to the Blackstone to cook up some shrimp. Not any old shrimp, boom shrimp. So I have some fresh Gulf shrimp, easy peel, from my local HEB. I'm gonna peel them up, then we're gonna head out to the Blackstone, sauce them up, and we're gonna eat some great food tonight. Stay tuned.
Grilling and chilling all night long. Hot flames popping, we're feeling strong. Barbecue vibes, let's sing this song. Grilling and chilling where we belong.
All right guys, I got my shrimp all peeled. I'm gonna dump them in a bowl. So before we take them out, I'm gonna season them up a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic and pepper seasoning on them. So this is one that we have. And then I'm also gonna add in some of that butter garlic. I'm gonna throw some butter on this as well when we cook it. And the star of the show, the boom shrimp sauce. I'm gonna cook the shrimp a little bit and then we're gonna mix it out on the griddle. But if you're liking this, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the patio. All right guys, so we made it out to the griddle. We're gonna cook up a few extra things. So Taryn likes some queso fresco tacos. So we're gonna make those up as well. And we're gonna have that with our shrimp. So let's get these started. We're gonna cook these tortillas. All right, so we're gonna flip our tortillas. Oop. Almost lost a tortilla. 1, 2, 3. That's 7, guys. I'm about to switch that up into 7s. But let's go ahead and we're gonna start crumbling our cheese. Get that going on here. That one's gonna take a little bit more, so I'm gonna fold these ones over while we're waiting. Start to cook down. So these are quick and delicious. So do you like crumbly cheese tacos? If so, hit that like button. And even if you don't, hit the like button. We still got that delicious shrimp coming up, guys. So you don't want to miss out on that. It is a great night to be cooking with the KAM Fam. Bit of excess cheese. We're going to melt these down. Put some muscle into that. All right, so these are ready to come off. So we're going to put them in our tray. 1, 2. Make sure I'll put this down on every side. 3, 4. So we have ourselves 7 tacos ready to go. Let's get that shrimp and toss it on here. All right, so this shrimp coming on hot. I got a few sticks of butter that I did mix in with it. We're gonna go ahead and turn this thing up. We're gonna cook up these shrimp quickly. Try to get that butter all over the place. What, Kevin? Can you smell that shrimp?
Yeah, it smells good.
Kevin says that smells good. Do you like shrimp? It's delicious. And quick and easy on the Blackstone. Alright, we are cooking it up. You know what? I'm going to give this thing. Get my close lid real quick. give it hot. Crank those babies up a little bit. We're going almost up to high, just a little bit shy of it. And then it's gonna be time for that boom boom sauce. So guys, this boom boom sauce, I'm telling you, get it at Walmart. Don't go buy any crazy brand stuff. Get the boom boom shrimp sauce. You won't regret it. I'm telling you, it's delicious. One thing I wish I had is some green onions to chop up and put on top, then it'd look amazing, just like out of a restaurant. All right, guys, let's spray these shrimp again. My shrimp are looking good. All right, so I think these shrimp are ready to get some sauce on them. So let's go ahead and hit them up with the boom boom sauce. And we're just gonna dollop and toss. I don't know if I'm gonna use the whole bottle on this. Let's see, that's a few squirts. We're gonna see how that looks once we flip it around. So we're gonna get a nice little coating on them. We're gonna go ahead and pick it up again with another round of sauce. Alright guys, so I would say that's probably a little over half the bottle we've used. So we're gonna go ahead and let the sauce cook on them. Put this griddle as high as it can go right now, because my goal is I want that to crisp right on them. Give it a nice flavor. Now normally Boom Boom would be on battered shrimp, but we're going no batter, just straight up. Just move my to the side. Hear that sizzling. Y'all see that coloring? That's what we're going for. We're trying to get that nice, beautiful coloring. Alright guys, I think the shrimp is ready. Flip it one more time. That's looking good. Let's go ahead and take it in. Let's enjoy. So we got some shrimp. We got some cheese tacos. We are about to have a wonderful meal. And there is extra sauce if you want any sauce on the side. So I'm gonna take this in. I'll be right back. Clean stuff up, and then we're gonna eat.
Ready?
Up first for the Boom Boom Shrimp is Kevin.
It's like sort of good, but like the taste is like not really good.
The sauce?
And Kevin is a new lover.
But when you swallow it, then it tastes good.
Then it tastes good? Okay.
All right, so let's go to Ainsley and see what she thinks.
It's really good.
All right, so Ainsley likes some. McKenna has already been smelling.
I'm not a really good fan of this.
It's okay. It's a little bit spicy, but
All right, and Taryn with her boom boom shrimp.
Boom boom car.
It's not very good because she's not boom booming.
Oh, that's good flavor.
yeah, usually you'll
I think the shrimp's very shrimpy.
So
Yeah, it definitely has a seafood taste to it this go round.
maybe I should have seasoned it a little more.
Let's go.
Kevin, how's your cheese quesadilla?
try to get half of it.
How is it?
Good. Good, good.
All right, I'm gonna take a bite. You can definitely taste the sauce. Could have probably put more on, but that's why it's on the side. If you want more, it just adds the flavor. And this right here,
That's the money.
It's really good.
is where it's at.
That tastes good.
All right, guys, so we're gonna enjoy our dinner, and we'll see y'all on the next edition of Cooking with the KAM Fam. Bye, guys.